Welcome to our YouTube page, and
today we're going to show you this train collection.
that's amazing. We got Thomas and Brio and
Friends.
friends and some of our favorite friends, the truck and the road to go. So we're gonna start. We got our master. They're gonna share with you what exactly is going to happen in here.
Here we'll put this first because then it when it stops, the crane could pick it up.
Oh, that is great. That's awesome. So
Let's put it on.
fantastic.
Let's go. This has buttons, so it can stop if it's on red, go if it's on green,
That is awesome.
and there's a backwards button. If you do that, the train will come and go back.
Go back. We're gonna see on the next one. Oh no, we forgot to open the bridge.
Oh
So
yeah.
we could have shown exactly what happened. That's awesome. Oh, the train stopped. Why does it stop?
Because of this.
Oh, without that can it go?
Yeah. Oh no, it was too late.
Oh. Let's see if he's gonna turn back. Now is the time.
Turn. And it should be going back now.
Oh, and then we're gonna turn in here. We're gonna make Thomas to go.
And get washed.
That is awesome.
Now it goes forward.
I'm glad you know how these things work. And then we wanted to go forward. No, to stop. I stop it. So we wanted to go.
Oh no, the crane man wanted to help.
Oh, it was too late to do this work. Wow, we got this and we got this. Let's see which one is the fastest one. That
It may be.
Oh, that's a nice road.
Oh. Let's see if they're gonna crash.
No,
no.
they're not going to crash.
Luckily,
That is awesome.
the train's getting repaired at the service station. Now let's put this here, and it'll stop. Put this up. Ah, it's the opposite magnet. Or maybe it just doesn't have enough force. Oh, now.
Oh, it managed.
Oh, we need
now
a truck.
it can go.
Vroom, vroom. Oh, the truck needs to go under the bridge.
It's going under the bridge. The tunnel. Oh, it's going to crash. Oh no, it's stopped. And we're gonna put Percy to go with Thomas. And then we're gonna put another one to go. Oh, let's see what's gonna happen. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh, train collapse. Oh no. What just happened?
No, Thomas is coming.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Here comes Percy. Oh no. On the train. Uh-oh.
Oh.
We better save this one. Stop.
Oh, I'm glad you saved it on time.
Wow.
But now what's gonna happen when the train's gonna get there?
That was a really close one.
Uh-oh. What is going to happen now?
I don't know. Let's hope something good's gonna happen.
Uh-oh. There's another truck.
Ah,
Stop. Stop here.
truck. Ah,
Stop here.
ah, this one's just pushing it.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Yay.
Yay, the helicopter saved the day.